Hidden beneath our cities, one extraordinary machine quietly reshapes the earth, carving tunnels through solid rock with engineering precision few people ever witness.
Modern cities depend on hidden underground networks, where transportation, water, electricity, and communications quietly support millions of people every single day. Standing taller than many buildings, a modern tunnel boring machine combines thousands of precisely engineered components into one extraordinary underground factory on wheels. Long before steel is cut, engineers simulate geology, pressure, and machine performance to ensure the enormous system survives years beneath the Earth's surface. Every major component begins as specialty steel, engineered to withstand crushing forces, constant vibration, and years of continuous underground excavation. Although the machine is gigantic, many critical surfaces must be manufactured with astonishing precision, measured in fractions of a millimeter. The Cutterhead concentrates enormous force into hundreds of rotating disc cutters, allowing solid rock to fracture. Rather than cutting like a blade, each hardened disc crushes rock until microscopic fractures expand into massive breaks beneath overwhelming pressure. Powerful hydraulic cylinders generate thousands of tons of thrust, steadily pushing the entire machine forward through unyielding geological formations. Thousands of precision components now function together as one integrated engineering system, designed to operate continuously beneath the world's busiest cities. Before entering the Earth, every critical system undergoes exhaustive testing, because repairs become far more difficult once excavation begins underground.
Moving a machine this enormous requires military-level planning, specialized transport equipment, and precise coordination before underground excavation can finally begin.
Before a single meter of tunnel can be excavated, this engineering giant, where every connection determines its future reliability. Hidden beneath the construction site, thousands of precision-engineered components are assembled into a single underground factory designed to excavate relentlessly through changing geological conditions. Months of engineering preparation culminate in this moment, as thousands of tons of machinery begin carving a precise path through unyielding solid rock. Instead of slicing through stone, each rolling disc concentrates enormous pressure until the rock fractures naturally, allowing the machine to advance with remarkable efficiency. Excavation can continue only if broken rock is removed continuously, transforming thousands of tons of solid granite into an endless underground stream of material. As the mountain disappears ahead, precision-engineered concrete segments immediately create the permanent tunnel, allowing excavation and construction to happen simultaneously with remarkable accuracy. Hidden far beneath the surface, laser guidance and intelligent steering systems keep this engineering giant on course with astonishing millimeter-level precision over many kilometers. Every meter of tunnel reveals new geological surprises. Safe excavation requires constant engineering adjustments. Even underground, every worn component must be inspected and replaced because reliable maintenance keeps this engineering giant advancing safely through unforgiving rock. After months beneath the earth, precision engineering triumphs as the tunnel boring machine reaches daylight, completing a remarkable underground journey measured in kilometers. Long after excavation ends, engineers install the systems that transform an empty tunnel into safe, reliable infrastructure, serving millions of people every day. Hidden beneath every thriving city quietly built the foundations of modern civilization. They built it one precise meter at a time. Tomorrow's tunnel boring machines will think faster, adapt smarter, and predict problems before they occur, redefining the future of underground engineering forever. Far below our feet, these remarkable machines have quietly reshaped the world, leaving behind an invisible engineering legacy that will serve generations for centuries to come.